To make a mobile check deposit on USAA, start by opening the USAA mobile app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your USAA account using your online ID and password. Next, select the Deposit Checks option from the main menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose the account you want to deposit the check into. Select the correct account from the list of available options. Now, endorse the check by signing your name on the back. This is an important step as it verifies that you are the owner of the check. Make sure to include the words for mobile deposit only on the back of the check, as this is required by USAA. After endorsing the check, take a photo of the front and back of the check using your device's camera. The USAA app will guide you through the process of taking the photos, ensuring they are clear and legible. Make sure the check is on a flat surface and well lit to avoid any issues with the photos. Once you have taken the photos, review them to ensure they are clear and legible. If the photos are not clear, you will need to retake them. If the photos are clear, select the option to continue with the deposit. Enter the amount of the check, making sure it matches the amount written on the check. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct, including the account number and check amount. Finally, select the option to submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been successfully submitted. Keep the check for a few days, in case there are any issues with the deposit. It is also important to note that there are some limits on mobile check deposits, such as the amount you can deposit per day and per month. You can find these limits in the USAA app or on the USAA website. Additionally, not all checks are eligible for mobile deposit, so make sure to check the USAA website for a list of eligible checks. By following these steps, you can easily make a mobile check deposit on USAA, saving you time and allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere.